Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today we're tackling a common but frustrating iPhone issue when your text message notifications stop showing up. Whether you're missing important messages, not seeing alerts on your lock screen, or not getting any sound or vibration for texts, I've got you covered with these practical solutions. Let's start with the quickest and most common fixes. Notification issues often come down to simple settings that got changed accidentally. First, let's check your Do Not Disturb and Focus modes. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open Control Center. Look for the moon icon. If it's purple, Do Not Disturb is on. Tap it to turn it off. Also check if any focus modes, like work or sleep, are active that might be silencing your notifications. Next, let's verify your notification settings for messages. Go to Settings, the Notifications Messages. Make sure Allow Notifications is turned on. Then check these important settings. Lock screen, Notification Center, and banners should all be enabled. Sounds should be turned on and set to a tone you'll hear. Badges should be enabled if you want to see message counts on the app icon. While you're there, tap Show Previews and make sure it's not set to Never if you want to see message content in notifications. If your settings look correct but you're still not getting notifications, let's try force quitting and reopening the Messages app. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen, or double-click the Home button on older iPhones to view your open apps. Find Messages and swipe it up and off the screen to close it completely. Wait a few seconds, then reopen the app. Now, let's check your sound and vibration settings. Go to Settings, the Sounds and Haptics. Make sure your volume is turned up, and check that Vibrate on Ring and Vibrate on Silent are enabled if you want vibration alerts. For those who recently updated iOS, let's try restarting your iPhone. Sometimes a simple reboot can resolve notification glitches that occur after software updates. Hold the side button and either volume button, then slide to power off. Wait 30 seconds, then turn your phone back on. If you're still not receiving notifications, let's check your message filtering settings. Go to Settings, Messages, Unknown and Spam. Make sure Filter Unknown Senders is turned off, as this can sometimes cause legitimate messages to be filtered without notification. As a last resort, you can try resetting all settings. Go to Settings, the General, Transfer or Reset iPhone. Reset all settings. This will reset all your preferences to default but won't delete any of your personal data or messages. I know how frustrating it is to miss important text messages because notifications aren't working properly. One of these solutions should get your alerts working again. For most people, checking Do Not Disturb or notification settings does the trick. If this guide helped you resolve your notification issues, I'd really appreciate if you could hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more iPhone troubleshooting guides. Let me know in the comments which solution worked for you. Thanks for watching.